FOOTWRIGHT from the Showcase from the South Talent. This is the little thing that we just finished doing right here. What you think? What you think? Seen that boy right there pick up the trophies right there. What you think? Motorcycle.
Yo, this midnight, say it twice. We getting money over here. We ain't on that broke shit. Ain't with that bullshit. 2 minute bullshit. It's with that bullshit. I got a business. We can hold
We rolling with. I think this must be the Jerry Smith car show.
That whole shit, and with that dope shit, whole money, so money, dope money, no money. I want some yay money, I want some rubies, I want some pesos, I want some pounds. And with that slick shit, and with that drink shit, trying to hit a lick.
The type of paper that I'm playing with, they put it on a scale, add it up by the pound. Heavyweights, you can tell. It's that new money smell, made back clientele. Take a sip of this juice, take a toke on this F. It's that blue I be bread on your money like jam. Catch me overseas, politic and their prayers. Maserati name is on Bugatti best friends. Midnight, I'm a G-Rock boy, duck fan. Saying you can find me chillin' with a mommy. Ice kinda shiny, mirrors in the blimey. Water like a shiny, swag sorta grimy. On a upper level, bro, don't define me. These niggas pop bottles, I stack and pop models. Invest in my stock, she suffer, won't swallow. Live life just like lotto, they whine like Moscato. I lead, I don't follow, the rich is my motto. Midnight, say it twice. We getting money over here, man.
This is the winner, fella. This is the winner.
You gotta get about your hood, you gotta get out your town. We got passports, we got stamps on our passports, we seeing things.
I like the way
and upload your videos. We're looking for singers, dancers, actors, models, rappers, comedians, musicians, ports, and even athletes. We're building a global entertainment network, and we need you.
What's up, fella?
What's going on?
There's a lot of paint on this car right here, man.
That down here don't make no sense.
You'll see the last night.
I got that flipping flag.
Jet for the people that like them Fords. For the ones that like the Ford, this is the kind of engine we're working with. Oh, yeah.
Don't let the name fool ya. Looks to my eyes and I have your mouth full ya. Toss and turn your pillows, can't get no sleep. Cause every time you close your eyes, you get a vision of me. I was a
Smokinville, Georgia.
You need to heal that you never heal. The information start to rise and you the deal. Beginning your draw, you sweating on your fingertips. I get you hot, help me. Sweet blaze of fire, how you drop the tea and cheese and that's why. Taught me touch and pain that I deserve.
Another one of those old school 55 Chevrolet. Me and my brother used to have 3 or 4 of these things. Well, we only had one motor, but we had 3, 4 bodies. Sometimes we change the motor 3, 4 times a day. You thought we had 3, 4 of them things, man. Just one in them. This type right here, but right. Like the way brother got that right there. Hell, he put his tag. Oh, his tag must be on there. Cool. Ray. Shit, Ray. Ray. Steam in the house. It's Malibu. Probably got the 396 in it. 455.
You telling me that you can make me sweat, get it wet, and me for you in the same sense.
What kind of cheer he got up there, right? All right, sir. That's what you got the trophy for right there? Yeah. What I gotta know, what you plan to do to me? Will you show me passion or give up any mercy? Or can you blow my mind till I soon forget? Tell me what it is, how you plan to make this way?
You know, if I got one back home like this, he'll clean it up. Hey, it's just stay still ready, you know, never do nothing to it.
Oh yeah. That's it, man. Yeah, congratulations.
Have a good dinner with your mama.
Kind of hanging there to see his card. Number 8.
Another filthy fried shit. Okay. That's how they did it. That's how it is. Yes. Looking at it right there.
You got nothing?
Yeah, it look like it got some jelly in it, man. I know what this is, man. This is a 66 Malibu, 66 Super Bowl Malibu. Boy, winner right here, though. I got this car quite a few times, too. Could have used a little detail. We get squinky. That goes squinky, y'all. They call it squink Jerry Smith. One of the richest men in the state like that. They call him squinky. That's enough of this. That's enough of this for today.
When his daddy was visiting, come along. When they got around and started talking, passing Billy would take me walking. Out through the backyard we go walking. Then he looked into my eyes. Lord knows to my surprise, the only one who could ever reach me was the son of a preacher man. The only boy who could ever teach me was the son of a preacher man.
Right there, man. What you doing?
What's up with you?
What's your plan there?
What you want to do?
Man, I do you.
What?
So I do no sooner than
You do me and I do you. You give me one, I give you two.
spot. Got the key, I got a PhD in clinology from O'Reilly University. So you do me and I do you. Bring shorty along, I hit her too. She can get some too, I dig her too. Her sister too, too nuts she does. Hello, if you swallow with me. I'm a leg man, a head man, a big freak in the bed, man.
You do me and I do you. You give me one, I give you two. Come on, what you wanna do? What you wanna do? What you wanna do? You do me and I do you. You give me one, I give you two. Come on. What I wanna do is meet you about 12 tonight. They say the freaks come out after the lights go out. It ain't no need to ask me what we gon' be talking about. My mouth will be moving, but no words will come out. Start at your ankles and your knees and then I go up. Stop below your belly button, stay until it throw up. As I lift open wide, as I pop and slide. Sit down to this feast and indulge in my flow and tie. Now I see you in an upright position. Enough of that playing and hugging and kissing. And let me give you what you come here for. I'ma let you feel something you never felt before. This here's big and it just to your size. Thick in the hips like this, I like to ride it. Or with your legs fit back, watching my back. You'll spit twice before you figure how I did that. You do me and I do you. You give me one, I give you two. Come on, boy. What you wanna do? What you wanna do? What you wanna do? You do me and I do you. If you don't do me, I still do you. Come on, boy. What you wanna do? What you wanna do? What you wanna do?
It's the return of the freakaholic. Looking for a couple of bras to take all of it. They swear not to call it quits till I beat it up against them sugar balls a bit. Hey, shawty, but you look shocked if I ask your homegirl to hop in the drop. Tag along right back to the spot. Then turn the gas up to the very last notch. It'll be a while for the fire die out. I got a lot of positions I wanna try out. Stretch out, let her eat you out, then I'ma make love all of your mile. Like kilo, never before have I been anywhere below the navel. But yo, since this is a trio set, both of them pussies up on the motherfucking table.
You do me and I do